Hey guys, this is Robert and here's an update with the delayed payout. So last night I got approved finally after a week of back and forth with emails. So you see here's withdrawal amounts, here's payout amounts, and if I go to confirmation, this is the total I should be getting, but they didn't factor in the $20 they take out for a fee. So if I just bring up my calculator, minus $20 fee, this is what I should be getting, and it has gone into my Coinbase. And let me sign into Coinbase to show you that it's real. It's in my account. Alright, so here, if we go to all, or here you go. I had some money in, or a few cents inside the USD coin. So I can look at the wallet. Here is the transaction here from yesterday. Completed at 9:32 yesterday. Okay, there's proof that they do pay out. And hopefully my next payout, I will not have to go through this process again. I can just get my money right away. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time. Later.